Inrotech-Crawler is probably the smallest yet most advanced welding robot on the market. Contrary to the typical robot setup, where the robot is stationary and the object moved to the robot, here the robot is mobile and is moved to the object. Besides ships, bridges and submarines and other applications, the Inrotech-Crawler is also suitable for the welding of LNG storage tanks and other tank systems. The robot itself is a UR3, which is the smallest of Universal's robot series. The robot is placed on a carriage, which is built from anodized aluminum. The total weight, including robot, is approximately 45 kgs. The carriage runs on a rail, which is resting on the upper edge of the tank in building. It is provided by wheels, so it easily can slide from one position to the next. Once in position, it is fixed by activating the lock at the top and the magnet at the bottom of the rail. This means that operation is very simple. Move the rail to position where the weld groove is within reach of the robot, fix the rail and push start. The robot will now scan the weld groove prior to welding and automatically calculate the entire welding process, number of passes, location of each pass, and the appropriate welding parameters.